Hello, Reno fam, and thanks for coming back. Firstly, I'd like to apologize for not posting any renovations for a little bit. I was going through a few things, but now I'm okay. So this week we were busy with breaking the other side of the house. Remember, they were finishing our side so that we can be able to live in there while they're still busy with the entire construction. So at this point, they're breaking the previous guest bedroom. The roof is being removed, and also we're going to remove the door as well because I don't like those oval doors. So yes, so this week is all about breaking. It's all noise and dust. So we are really constructing this week. So please stick around and see what we did more. So here we were advised, Hore, we can actually straighten out the wall by the fish ponds and also the wall by the forest, by the kloof. So it was a bit skew. So the builder said, no, we can straighten it for it to look better. So here they were breaking down the wall, the side of the pond, making it straight and also putting a window there, and also breaking the other side and putting a sliding door with two long windows on the sides. And also remember we extended the balcony as well. So this week or this few weeks, that's what was happening. And we were working towards finishing with the wall so that they could actually eventually put up a roof. Because remember, there's three sides to the house. There's where we are staying right now, there's a middle part, and also the west wing. So there's an east wing, the middle wing, and the west wing. So at the moment they were busy with the middle wing, where the roof is going to be flat, and the other side is going to be high up. So basically from our side, the east wing, the roof is going to be high, like triangular high, and the middle is going to be square flat, and the west wing is going to be triangular high. So yeah, keep on watching, and then you'll see eventually we're going to start with putting up the roof. Well, finally, they managed to now start putting the roof for the middle part. So it looks good. It's promising. Obviously, this, I think today was the 20th of December when the roof was being built, the middle roof was being built, and it was the last day of the holidays. The guys were going away for holiday, so they were only coming back in January. Thank you for watching. I will be posting very soon. Unfortunately, at some point we had issues that we dealt with, but please stick around to know what issues we came across. Thanks for watching. Cheers.